Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, I'm gonna make some mango jam. Yeah guys, see me green mango. Yeah guys, I'm gonna peel up my mango then I'm making swag on in the kitchen guys. Some mango jam guys. Be about this guys, me soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna peel up my mango then make my swag on. Overs. Guys, I'm gonna make some bad mango jam guys. Peel up the mango then, as you can see. Yeah. Guys, some bad mango jam guys. See the mango? Yeah. Guys, if you don't know if you make mango jam, you watch the video and see what go on in the kitchen. And remember guys, subscribe to the channel. Guys, we soon come back. Guys, some bad mango jam guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so I finished cut up the mango them guys. I'm gonna see what go on in the kitchen. Some bad mango jam. Guys, I'm gonna wash my mango. Throw in the pot, making go on boil. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make that go and boil guys. Guys, just watch the video, drop the likes, comment, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a bit of drop guys to have it soon come back. Guys, look what I go on in the pot. So I go on in the pot guys. Let the mango then go on. Boil. Yeah guys. Let my boil. You see that? Start on jelly already. Believe that guys. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah. When I want good food, come over Nicholas. Good jam, come over Nicholas. The overs, guys, remember subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop guys, you have it soon come back. Yeah guys, so look what I go on in the pot over here so. You see my mango jam guys. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I go put in my nutmeg and my mixed spice guys. Over, I have a mixed spice. Yeah, when you have a mixed spice, you don't know everything in the mixed spice. You understand how I did. So, I still I go put a nutmeg, I have a ground nutmeg. I go put in it, guys. I'll be a badness. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in my mixed spice. As you can see. Yeah, mixed spice, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in some nutmeg now. Guys, look at my mango jam guys. Be about this. Guys, I'm gonna show in the sugar now. I'm gonna see what I'm going. Overs. Guys, watch how I go on in the pot over here so. Guys, my mango jam, you know. Homemade mango jam, guys. Yeah, guys, so watch the badness what I go on over here so. Guys, I'm making go down some more. I don't know the badness. I put in my sugar and my spices, overs. So I'm making go down some more, guys. Bad mango jam, guys. Believe that. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Guys, look what I'm going, guys. You have to keep story. The overs. Guys, me I want bread. I go put it on the bread and make on see what I'm going. Overs. Homemade mango jam, guys. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Guys, watch how I go on over here so. You see, next time I show you guys, it are going on the plate, a cool out. You understand what I did? I'm going to put it on a piece of bread, I'm going to butter the bread with it. mango jam and bread. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on. Homemade mango jam guys and my bread guys. So watch the badness in our kitchen guys. Guys, a be a badness. Guys, me not lie, me a fish phone what I go on. Guys, watch ya guys. Watch ya. Guys, a be a badness. Tell on you know. Tell on you know guys. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look guys. And my mango jam guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put some on piece of bread and make some sew on guys and soon come back. Yeah guys, so it's when they dip on the bread. You understand now the guys, the mango jam. Guys it's bad. Me not lie if you tell them. Watch. Guys. Be a badness guys. Me not lie if you tell them guys. See you in our next video. I'm out guys. Homemade mango jam and bread.